Odyssey Trail cuts across the entire state of North Carolina. Segment 10 of the trail is about 80 miles that goes right through the Triangle area where we live. We've been using our quarantine weekends to hike different parts of Section 10. During days 1 and 2, we hiked from Eno River State Park over to Hickory Hill Boat Ramp, and on day 3, we picked up at Hickory Hill Boat Ramp and hiked over to a parking lot off Baptist Road. This day was particularly entertaining because we had had a ton of rain the week before and ended up having to deal with a lot of flooding, but it was still a really fun hike with good lake views.
Where are we, Kristen?
About to start the MST again.
We're at the Hickory Hill Boat Ramp. We're about to go on to Baptist Road, which is where we parked.
12 miles.
It's just going to be kind of far.
We're just hoping we don't have to wade through any water.
Yeah. There we go. So here we are. This is our second campsite we've seen. And it's a nice looking little campsite over here. They have picnic tables and everything. Kristen said you can't have fires though. This is the continuation on. Looking pretty over there. We missed the sunrise for the hike, but we saw it on the way over here. We just got turned around. We came out from this trail. Here, I'll point at it here. There's a white dot on that tree there. And then if you look down here, there's the green sign. Made us think that we have to turn left to go down this way, but that's not the right way. You actually want to cross the street. So cross the street and you can see the white dot over there. There's some brown signs. It looks obvious from there, but we probably just had trail vision on and we're just following those dots, and then it took us down this long road behind me here, and it was just going across the lake. So now we're getting back on the trail. We're on the trail. About 4.5 in, we're at what I thought was a pretty section. A little alcove here. We get a nice little bridge. Wind blowing. Feeling really good. We're back under the power lines here. Where are we?
We're at the rock, but it's covered in water, I think.
Oh, no rock. It's a nice little beach area. It's a good view out here, I like. We're hiking still. We just ran into some other hikers coming against us, coming forward at us. The boardwalk's about 3 feet underwater,
Which we think is like maybe a mile in front of us.
So we're gonna get on over there and kind of see what's going on and see if there's something we can do to keep going.
Adventure.
Kristen found our first turtle. You giving me the eye. Kind of chilly. All right, here we are. We're gonna give it the shot. There's our path, and it slowly turns into water. So I took off my pants and shoes, and we're gonna attempt. Although I think I'm gonna get a different stick. Here we are. Kristen's walking through the water. Somebody probably behind us is gonna hold the butt. I got blue underwear on. Yeah, but so far so good. We're just taking our time, and it's a straight shot over.
We're not even halfway yet.
Or maybe, I'm gonna say we're a quarter, but we're not. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, we've made it. And we found the boardwalk. There's Kristen walking on water. You see my feet there? I've got this stick that I'm just running along the side of the boardwalk. Kristen's making it pretty good. Just taking our time. Trying not to fall in. And then we got to that bridge, and then we're home free. Woo! Just walking along, trying to follow the path. Getting close to the edge over here. Oh, there's no more boardwalk? Alright, well there's Kristen up there. She's in the water. We'll see how we go. Alright, here we are. At the bridge on the other side. We're no longer on the boardwalk. There's a boat over there looking at us. Probably thinking that guy's in his underwear. But we're almost there. Okay, we made it. We're on the other side of the bridge. Kristen's got our boots back on. I got my pants and my boots back on.
My pants are soaking wet.
Yeah, my underwear is pretty wet too, but I think they're gonna dry off. It's got a good breeze out. Kristen might get cold here in a bit. And We still got sandwiches that we can eat for lunch. We got a dry book bag, dry shoes.
We got.
I'm feeling good.
You're very cute.
Okay, straight ahead. So we were just walking along. We caught him come up on a little baby deer. We scared him a little bit.
Kenny, what'd you find?
Found a swing.
That was a pretty cool swing.
Yeah, it's really good. Watch. Walk along, Kristen. Where we end up?
At this pond thing.
Looks like that pond that Gollum was eating the fish on in Lord of the Rings. If not, that's what it looks like, the old Gollum rock. Kristen?
We're almost back to civilization.
Yeah, we made it. This is the road.
We have an arrow this time.
Nice. Yeah, it follows the road a little bit. But this is a recreation area. We actually had to turn around here earlier.